Right, these are some of the products that I'm using at the moment. So we'll start with this car shampoo with wax. Now, believe me, it makes your car more shinier than that picture. Yeah, good protection. Next we've got some Rain-X. You can see what it basically does here on the picture. Treated, untreated, simple. Then we've got some glass cleaner, anti-mist formula. Now that stops my windows from steaming up. Pretty good. It's only like £1.50 from Tesco. Then these Simonis, don't know if I pronounced that right, but they're on sale right now in Tesco. Everything's half price, so if you go down there you can get all of that for half price, all the brands, like all the stuff from Simonis or whatever. So Back to Black bumper and trim, that's brilliant for making your trim black. Back to Black tire shine, like I literally use that regularly, has my tires looking black and shiny. And we've got some de-icer, probably don't need that now, but it says what it does on the bottle. Well, it's down to -20. Then we got, get out of the way, alright, alloy wheel cleaner. Now this stuff is brilliant, like melts the brake dust and dirt off the wheels. Like I used it yesterday, proper shiny. Then we've got Interior Valet by Carplan. This one's the fresh linen fragrance, but to me it just smells like lemons. Yeah, like that has your car smelling like it just come out the shop, like just the way it did when I got my car. Car polish, I've never used that yet, not had the need to, but I'm sure it's good. And then some more standard tire shine. I've used this one, Tesco one, but to be honest I prefer the Simonis one. Oh yeah, and some car dashboard wipes. Have your dash all nice and, you know, it looks treated, takes away the dust, and yeah, has your car crisp. Yeah, so these are all the products that I use. With Interior Valet probably being my favourite because, like I said, has the inside of my car so crisp. Yeah, here we go. And that's it.